Okay, for those that have been tuning in regular, I have some updates. You saw the old bracket that I made here. This is a new bracket, of course. Got two of the little ball bearings in here, 5/8 OD, 1/4 inch ID. I'm clamping them in place with this. You saw the cam already, and the cam has been cut. Okay. What you may not have seen is this. The aluminum bracket here is a piece of aluminum that's made to trim 1/2 inch plywood to keep it from separating, whatever. It's just a decorative piece. I have come down in here and drilled a couple of holes. Actually, I drilled 3 holes, one on each side of the screw, and filed them out so that I have a slot adjustment. Okay, now this controls where the blade is in relationship to the grinding wheel. The little Harbor Freight grinder, the grinding wheel. Okay, and this determines how high or how low the wheel is going to go. Okay, and you'll see it operate here in just a minute. I just have the electronics temporarily hooked up. Oh, let's go back to this bracket. These are slotted holes. This is my micro adjustment. I can move it either way, okay, and get it just right. Couple of wing nuts, 1024. So it's got a pretty fine adjustment. This screw is anchored inside this hole, so it doesn't move. When it moves, the angle moves back and forth. Temporarily, I have a kill switch here. Let's get her in view. Kill switch, okay, and that operates the DC motor to get it going. I don't have all the electronics hooked up. I did work on a switch down here, okay, and that will be activated with a binder clamp that I put on here. When it gets to right about here somewhere, it'll shut off. So I have to count the number of teeth. After a few of them are sharpened, I'll put the binder clamp on, and when we get back to here, we know that the blade is sharp all the way from here to here and all the way around. Okay, so I'm going to start up the machine. We'll start up the grinder first. This is an old blade. This old blade has been sharpened with a Dremel to get it started. So not every tooth gets hit. So if you are wondering why some are hit harder than others, it was hand sharpened with a Dremel. It broke. I welded it back together. Let's see, I guess you can see it right here. And I brought it here with me to build this machine. So it's not a great blade, but it was good enough to practice on. Alright, I'm going to put you in the stand here, and then I'm going to turn it on. You can see what's going on. Okay, here we are. Be patient with me. There we are. Going to turn it on. Okay, turn it on. Bingo. Up, down, and around. Okay, you can hear a few of them hit. After I get around here, there's one that Dremel didn't get quite as hard. Okay. If you want to know some of the specifics, the little DC motor in here is 16 RPM. So it'll do 16 teeth a minute. The grinder head, there's one that needed a little bit more. The grinder head is a Harbor Freight electric chainsaw sharpener, just like a lot of the other people are using. Okay. I'll shut up now for a couple of minutes. We'll run this blade through. It looks like it's going to work all right. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching Po' Boy's Sawmill.